Do you actually trust AI to help you find a job? Or does it feel like another tech buzzword? Sure, it can write an email or make me look like this, but can it really help me land a job? According to a survey, 40% of job seekers are already using AI to improve their resumes. AI isn't a gimmick, and today we're busting 3 of the biggest misconceptions about it. I'm going to show you step by step with real examples how AI can be a powerful tool in your job search. Myth number 1, AI job finders? Yeah, they just show me entry-level jobs or stuff I'm totally wrong for. It's useless for finding real opportunities for my level. If used right, AI job search tools can actually refine your search and find jobs that match your skills. The key is to be specific and use the right filters. On Indeed, if you want targeted results, you shouldn't just search by job title. Start by thinking about your core skills. That's right, use the skill itself as your keyword. Say you're looking for the role of a pharmacy technician. So instead of the role, let's use prescription knowledge, which is one of the most important skills. Now, let's really refine this search using Indeed's filters. Look for filters like experience level and select the level that's right for you. You can also filter job type to specify full-time or contract. And of course, set your location. Indeed lets you be as specific as you need. Now, you should see jobs that align to your skills and experiences. Pro tip, keep your Indeed profile updated. Indeed's AI analyzes your profile to suggest jobs. So if you want better results, be sure to add your qualifications, experience, skills, and preferences. See? The more specific you are, the more tailored your results will be. You get what you put in. Myth number 2. AI can't really understand my industry. I work in the healthcare industry. It's so specific. How can some AI tool help me write a resume? I get it. It feels like your experience is too unique for AI. But here's the truth. AI can understand. You just need to guide it. To see what I mean, let's write a resume using ChatGPT. You can use any other LLM that you prefer. Say you've been considering a pharmacy technician role. First thing, copy that link to the job post. All right. Then head over to ChatGPT and use this prompt. Analyze the following job description and list the top 10 keywords and skills that are most important for this role. Focus on industry-specific terms and required skills that an ATS would scan for to find a qualified candidate. Ha! And just like that, AI pulls out the main keywords for this job. These are the words that recruiters and applicant tracking systems are scanning for. And now, all we need to do is include these keywords organically throughout the resume, starting with the most important section, professional summary. It's the first thing any recruiter will look at and can help employers quickly see if you have the skills and background they're looking for. Let's ask AI to help us write one. Write a professional summary for my resume. It should be no more than 5 sentences, start with the years of experience related to the role, and be ATS optimized. Use the job description shared earlier as a guide and include relevant keywords from it, but ensure that it is applicable to relevant other roles beyond this one. Pull out key transferable skills and experience from my resume and make it competitive so that I stand out as uniquely qualified based on the skills, experience, and education. Ha! See how it uses your info and relevant keywords from the job description to create an accurate professional summary? Now, let's give AI the bullet points from your current resume. Copy your work experience section and use this prompt. Here is my current work experience section from my resume. Review it in the context of the keywords and skills we just identified for the pharmacy technician role. Make suggestions to improve the bullet points to be better aligned with these key requirements. Show a side-by-side table view of the current version of the bullet point versus the recommended version. See how it pinpoints the weak spots? Now, let's really polish one of those bullet points. Take answer questions from customers. We'll use iterative prompting to make it really stand out. Okay, those are good general ideas, but can you rewrite my bullet point, answer questions from customers, to be specifically about understanding prescriptions, helping customers with questions, and maintaining compliance? Incorporate keywords like prescription knowledge, customer service skills, and attention to detail. To really make an impact, add numbers to your experience. How many customers did you help in a day? That's the key detail AI can't generate on its own. You need to provide those metrics or add them yourself. Just by guiding AI with clear prompts, you can easily go from basic to super targeted and industry relevant points, which means AI can understand the specifics. You just have to teach it. Myth number 3. AI can't help with interviews. It's just not the same as talking to a real person. Interviews are all about human connection. You're right. AI can't replace that human connection in a real interview. But that's not the point. AI interview tools are like a dress rehearsal before the big performance. The idea is to practice. You can use any of the tools available on the internet like I'm doing here. Let's start a practice session with some behavioral questions. Here's a common question. Tell me about a time you failed. So there was one time I failed. They were actually all fake, really bad, and you're not gonna get the job, right? Okay, answered it. Now, let's look at the feedback. Wow, it caught my filler words, my pace, and even if you use video, it can give feedback on eye contact and body language. This is gold. It's like having a personal interview coach pointing out things you might not even realize you're doing. AI isn't replacing the human interviewer, but it is giving you super valuable advice to help you nail a real interview. That's another myth busted. AI isn't some magic unicorn that can read your mind, but it is a powerful tool that, when used with intention, can seriously boost your job search game. Now, it's your turn. Try these AI tools and comment what you discover. Hit that like button and subscribe for more job search tips and myth busting.